What brought me to the social justice program is that my personal manifesto states that I'm here on this earth to help, and this program helps me pursue my personal manifesto.
What brought me into the social justice program is that I really liked the topics that we talked about. I talked about them in my free time, and then I'd go to class and I'd talk about those topics again, and I really enjoyed gaining language to express the things that I was concerned about.
What I like best about the social justice program is the fact that it's my home away from home. I'm allowed to have conversations in classes that I'm not able to have elsewhere.
I really liked that the program was customizable. I took a bunch of different courses that I didn't know would count for the program. I wasn't a social justice major at first, I was a bio major. And then I ended up in classes I really cared about and really enjoyed talking about the topics, and then they turned out to work for the major, so I switched my major.
My time in the social justice department was really life-changing. It impacted my ability to see the world through a critical lens and develop who I am as a person and my values.